dali na mga duta. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, ipang hambog yun ka. Maanindot nga kadagatan, sabay wag ta maglakaw-lakaw. Everywhere you go, San Francisco, paraiso ka. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, ipang hambog yun ka. Samba sa Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa Mangudlong, mangumpra sa Agora. Pantalan sa Consuelo, bantayan sa Hari. Tulang dako, tulang gamay, anindot sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukid sa Montelegre, makita ang Lake Danawa. Sa simbahan ni San Jose, matampo ang katauhan. Inig-abot sa Marso, sayawon ta ang Soli-Soli Festival. Come on, let's go. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, ipang hambog yun ka. Paraiso mo ay sama. San Francisco, paraiso ka. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. 4, 3, 2, go. Dali na atong suruyon ang maanindot nga talan-awon. Hapsay og limpyo nga lugar, buutan pagyud ang katawhan. Kung gusto kang mag-relax, dali na mga duta. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, ipang hambog yun ka. Maanindot nga kadagatan, sabay wag ta maglakaw-lakaw. Everywhere you go, San Francisco, paraiso ka. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, ipang hambog yun ka. Samba sa Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa Mangudlong, mangumpra sa Agora. Pantalan sa Consuelo, bantayan sa Hari. Tulang dako, tulang gamay, anindot sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukid sa Montelegre, makita ang Lake Danawa. Sa simbahan ni San Jose, matampo ang katauhan. Inig-abot sa Marso, sayawon ta ang Soli-Soli Festival. Come on, let's go. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, ipang hambog yun ka. Paraiso mo ay sama. San Francisco, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco kumotes, itong hambog yun ka. Maanindot nga kadagatan, sa baywalk ta maglakaw-lakaw. Everywhere you go, San Francisco paraiso ka. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco kumotes, itong hambog yun ka. Samba sa Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa Mangudlong, mangumpra sa Agora. Pantalan sa Consuelo, pantayan sa Hari. Tulang dako, tulang gamay, anindot sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukid sa Montenegre, makita ang Lake Danawa. Sa simbahan ni San Jose, magampo ang katauhan. Inig-abot sa Marso, sayawon ta ang Soli-Soli Festival. Come on, let's go. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco kumotes, ipanghambog yun ka. Paraiso mo ay sama. San Francisco paraiso ka. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. 4, 3, 2, go. Dali na atong suruyon ang maanindot nga talan-awon. Hapsay og limpyo nga lugar, buutan pagyud ang katawhan. Kung gusto kang mag-relax, dali na mga duta. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco kumotes, itong hambog yun ka. Maanindot nga kadagatan, sa baywalk ta maglakaw-lakaw. Everywhere you go, San Francisco paraiso ka. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco kumotes, itong hambog yun ka. Samba sa Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa Mangudlong, mangumpra sa Agora. Pantalan sa Consuelo, pantayan sa Hari. Tulang dako, tulang gamay, anindot sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukid sa Montenegre, makita ang Lake Danawa. Sa simbahan ni San Jose, magampo ang katauhan. Inig-abot sa Marso, sayawon ta ang Soli-Soli Festival. Come on, let's go.
Celtic IT Fiber Solution. Hayahay na. Wa pa'y baho utot. All right, starting 5, please. Report to the center. Starting 5 for Ninya Valerie. We have jersey number 1, Almazen. Jersey number 2, Lias. Jersey number 10, De Los Santos. Jersey number 14, Maurelio. And jersey number 28, Nodalo. And reinforcement, jersey number 88, ang Garbo sa San Francisco, Kini Halimaw Roca Corma. And the starting 5 for is the GJ. We have jersey number 3, Lot Chavez. Jersey number 6, Chen. Jersey number 25, Reka. Jersey number 29, Peroso. And the reinforcement, James Brian Gomez. Jump ball position between Gomez and De Los Santos. Gomez tapped the ball to Peroso. Peroso pass to Chen. To Rica. Pass to Chavez. Back to Rica. Rica jump. Not in. Rebound by Roca Corba. Roca Corba all the way. There's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 25, Reka. Blocking foul. That was your first personal foul. And one team foul is the GJ. First throw, Roca Corba not in. Last throw. Yes, 1 point, Roca Corba. Lo Chavez pass to Chen. Chen tries for 3. Not in. Rebound by Nodalo. Ball intercepted by Peroso. Counter steal by Roca Corba. Roca Corba long plates to Almacen. Ball intercepted by Peroso again. Pass to Gomez. Gomez pass to Lo Chavez. Stop and pump. Yes, 2 points, Lo Chavez. Almacen pass to Maurelio, elbow jumper. Not in. Big rebound by Peroso. Pass to Rica. Rica long play to Chen. Miscommunication. Turnover. Almacen pass to Roca Corba to Maurelio. Purbida. Rebound by De Los Santos to Maurelio. Yes, 2 points. Palig pahiyom. Rica pass to Chan under the basket. Yes, 2 points. What a beautiful basket combination between Rica and Chan. Almacen pass to Nodalo. Nodalo back to Almacen. Back to Nodalo. Nodalo drives. There's a block by Peroso. Steal by Almacen. Almacen pass to Nodalo for 3. Nothing but net. 3 points, Nodalo. Lo Chavez pass to Rica. To Chen. Pass to Peroso under the basket. Yes, 2 points. Deadlock of the game, 6-all. Almacen pass to Roca Corba to Maurelio. Maurelio to Nodalo. Another 3. Not this time. Gomez tapped the ball. Symbol. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 7 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Maurelio. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos back to Maurelio to Almacen for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. De Almacen. Nikalitrag kamatay. Turnover. Roca Corba all the way. Nice move. Yes, 2 points, Roca Corba. Gomez long plates to Lo Chavez. Los Chavez for 3. In and out. Roca Corba rebound pass to Almacen. Almacen back to Roca Corba. Back to Almacen. Patay ang nagpuyo. Rica. Pass to Peroso. Peroso elbow J. Short. Big rebound by Roca Corba. Pass to Almacen. Almacen to Maurelio. Not in. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez pass to Rica. Rica drives. Rica jam. Not in. Rebound. Put back short by Peroso. Rebound by De Los Santos. Pass to Almacen. Almacen to Maurelio. Maurelio nice pass to Almacen for an easy basket. 13 against 6. 7 points lead. Ninya Valerie. Rica. Rica tries for 3. Not in. Rebound by Maurelio. Pass to Almacen. Almacen. Pass to Rodano. Back to Almacen. For 3. Rebound by Chen. Pass to Peroso. There's a block by Maurelio. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 29, Peroso, holding foul. That was your first personal foul. 2 team fouls is the DJ. Almacen. Pass to Roca Corba. Roca Corba, nice pass to Maurelio. Jump shot not in. Ball intercepted by Almacen. For 3. Yes, sir. Nothing but net. 3 points. The Almacen. Chavez. Pass to Gomez. Gomez to Rica. Elbow J not in. De Los Santos long press to Almacen. Layup not in. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Chavez to Peroso. Peroso not in. Almacen. Almacen all alone. Yes, 2 points. Chen. Under the basket, not in. Rebound by Rica. Substitution. Out Rica and Maurelio. Almacen now. Pass to De Los Santos, elbow jumper. In and out. Out Maurelio. And Lias. Out Peroso and Garbe. Palihog lang tagtak-in sa inyohang mga jersey para musamot mo kagwapo. Parihas sa announcer. Sana all. Roca Corba for 3. Lungto. Lungto by Roca Corba. Chan. Pass to Gomez. Gomez attack. Nice pass to Maurelio for an easy 2 points. Nodalo for 3. Not in. Rebound by Roca Corba. Roca Corba jam. Yes, 2 points. Naba daw man sa zona pag itsanizay. Bali Hiliroa. Alo Chavez. Not in. Almacen. Pass to Roca Corba all the way. Layup not in. Rebound by Los Chavez. Los Chavez. Pass to Maurelio. Maurelio for 3. Short. Rebound by Elias. Long press to Nodalo. Steal by Garbe. Garbe to Chen. Elbow J. Nothing but net. 2 points. 20-10. 12 points lead. Ninya Valerie. Almacen. Ball tap out of bounds by Lias. Is the JJ's basketball. Substitution out, Almacen and Loan. Lo Chavez. Pass to Garbe to Gomez. Gomez back to Lo Chavez. Garbe. Garbe drives. Ball intercepted by Roca Curva. Pass to Loon. Ihansak. Walang. Ayaw lang. Chan. Gomez. Pass to Maurelio. Short. Rebound by De Los Santos. Pass to Roca Curva. Roca Curva. Pass to Lias. Lias drives. Lias. Rebound by Roca Curva. Pass to Loon. Put back short. Rebound by Gomez. Miscommunication. Steal by De Los Santos. Pass to Nodalo. Nodalo to Loon. Loon to Lias. Back to Nodalo. Drives. Ball intercepted by Gomez. Bangon. Bangon. Chan. Yes, 2 points, Chan. Per, tanawa tong nagbasa dito, Per. Palihog. Oh. Tanawa lang. Nodalo. Oh. Tanawa lang. Roca Curva for 3. Not in. Big rebound by Lias. Put back. There's a block by Gomez. Chan. Pass to Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez stop. Fires for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Lo Chavez. Padol-dol na palihog dire Chip gamay ha kay di makita Chip. Nodalo. Not in. Rebound by Maurelio. Maurelio pass to Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez to Chen. Chen to Garbe. Elbow J. Yes, 2 points. Timeout. Ninja Valerie. 15 seconds remaining. 24-17. Ninja Valerie is on top by 7 points.
Basta Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa mangudlong mangumpra sa agura. Pantalan sa Consuelo, pantayan sa hari. Tulang ako, tulang gamay, anindot sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukid sa Montelegre, makita ang Lake Danawa.
Back to the ball game. 15 seconds remaining. Nodalo. Pass to Loon. Loon to Lias. Back to Nodalo. Loon for 3. Not in. Big rebound by Lias. Put back short. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Chen. Chen. That was the end of the first quarter. 24-17.
And that quarter was brought to you by DKF Water Refilling Station and Eltic Fiber Solutions.
Suruyon ang maanindot nga talan-awon. Hapsay og limpyo nga lugar buutan pagyud ang katawhan. Kung gusto kang mag-relax, dali na mga duta. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigarbo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco,
sa mga gipanggutom, gipanguhaw, naatay mga naglibod-libod og back to the ball game. This is our second quarter. Ninya Valeries basketball. Prinyos. Prinyos drives. Pass to Almazan. For 3. Not in. Rebound by Garbe. Long pitch to Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez to Gomez. Gomez to Maurilio. Maurilio for 3. Short. Daplin. Agoy. Azaw ka mudra lagi. Purbida. Pagbantay ka mudra ha. Palihog lang. Plinyos to De Los Santos. Back to Plinyos for 3. Not in. Rebound by Garbe. Maurilio. Maurilio drives. Layup not in. Rebound by Almazan. Almazan pass to Rocacorba. Back to Almazan. Pass to Rocacorba to Gonzaga. Not in. Rebound by Gomez. Long pitch to Lo Chavez. All the way. Yes, 2 points. Plinyos. Pass to Rocacorba. Back. Pass to Gonzaga. Drives. Yes, 2 points. Lo Chavez. Pass to Chen. Chen to Maurilio. In traffic. Back to Chen. Chen back to Maurilio. Maurilio to Lo Chavez. From the parking lot. Not in. Rebound by Chen. Put back. Yes, 2 points. De Los Santos. Tries for 3. To Strong. Rebound Plinyos. Pass to Gonzaga. Put back. Not in. Rebound by Rocacorba. For 3. Not in. Rocacorba got the ball. Rocacorba drives. To Gonzaga. Elbow jumper. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 10. Illegal use of hand. First personal foul on De Los Santos. 1 team foul on Ninya Valerie. Lo Chavez to Garbe. Garbe back to Lo Chavez. To Formentera. For 3. Not in. Big rebound by Almazan. Almazan dribbling the ball. All the way. Yes, 2 points. Gomez long pitch to Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez jam. Basket count. Ang galing. Basket count. Foul jersey number 12. Pushing foul. First personal foul on Gonzaga. Bata ka pa, magaling na. May nalang kahag mo parehas kami umang kadako mo. Bonus free throw for Lo Chavez. Not in. Rebound by Rocacorba. Rocacorba dribbling exhibition. Pass to Plinyos. Pass to Gonzaga. Elbow J not in. Got his own miss. Gonzaga drives. In traffic. Pass to Almazan. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 3, Lo Chavez. Illegal use of hand. 6 minutes and 52 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Almazan pass to Plinyos. Plinyos jam. Boto ang backboard. Gomez. Gomez drives. Pass to Maurilio. Maurilio to Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez jam. Not in. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos drives all the way. Yes, 2 points. De Los Santos. Making the score 30 against 23. 7 points lead. Niña Valerie. Garbe pass to Lot Chavez to Formentera. Back to Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez for 3. Short. Rebound. Rebound by Gonzaga. Pass to Roca Corba. Roca Corba. Pass to De Los Santos. Agay. Wa kabalik si Roca Corba. Miscommunications. Turnover. Lot Chavez. Pass to Garbe. Garbe back to Lot Chavez. To Maurilio. Maurilio for 3 all alone. Short. Roca Corba rebound. Agay. Back-to-back turnover by De Los Santos. Traveling violation. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Chavez. Formentera for 3. In and out. Rebound by Gonzaga. Pass to Corba to Almacen. Almacen drives. Pass to Piños. Put back by Roca Corba short. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Garbe. Garbe drives. Yes, 2 points. Piños. Piños for 3. Adto. Substitution. Substitution. Lot Chavez. Ball steal by Elias. Pass to Roca Corba. Roca Corba drives. Not in. Rebound by Almacen to Gonzaga. Yes, nothing but net by Gonzaga. Making the score 32 against 25. 7 points lead. Reka. Pass to Formentera. In traffic. Traveling violation. Substitution. Out Piños and Morata. Oh, ayaw lagi ko na magpangutot. Lagi nyo lang atong tukar. Almacen. Almacen pass to Roca Corba. Elias to Gonzaga. Reverse layup, not in. Foul jersey number 12, holding foul. That was your second personal foul. Third, is it? 3 team fouls on Niña Valerie. Formentera to Gomez. Gomez for 3. Not in. Rebound by Elias. Pass to Roca Corba to Morata. Morata elbow J. Not in. Rebound by Gomez. Long play to Formentera. Formentera turn around. Pass to Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez. Karabin lusot sa dako. Yes, 2 points. Matay. Hilirua ba ng gamaya? The Mighty Kid. Morata. Pass to Almacen. Almacen pass to Roca Corba to Gonzaga. Yes, 2 points. 34 against 27. Rica. Pass to Piroso. Piroso to Lot Chavez. From the parking lot. Yes, sir. 3 points. Lot Chavez. Almacen to Roca Corba to Lias. For long two. Yes, so points Lias. Rica. Pass to Formentera. Formentera drives. Rebound by Peroso. Peroso in traffic. Traveling violation. Substitution. Out Maguang in Manghod. Substitution. Out Lot Chavez in Chen. Almacen. Roca Corba for 3 all alone. Nothing but net. 3 points. Roca Corba. Peroso. Peroso to Chen. Counter 3. Pataya nagpuyo sa board. Almacen all the way. Not in. Rebound by Peroso. Pass to Rica. Rica to Formentera. Formentera drives. Rebound by Rica. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 2, Lias. Illegal use of hand. First personal foul on Lias. 4 team fouls, Ninya Valerie. Rica inbound the ball. Pass to Chen. Chen for 3. Short. Rebound, Chen. Pass to Gomez. Gomez layup. Yes, 2 points. Gihungit. Ay. Roca Corba for 3. Not this time. Rebound by Gomez. Long pitch to Rica. Rica to Chen. For 3. Not in. Rebound by Peroso. Put back. Short. Rebound by Almacen. Almacen. Pass to Lias. For 3. Short. Rebound. Rebound by Gonzaga. Back to Lias. To Almacen. Roca Corba. What a nice assist. From Almacen to Roca Corba. Hiliroa. Chan. Nayabo ang Milo. 20 seconds remaining. Almacen. Pass to Lias. Back to Almacen. Almacen dribbling the ball. Looking for a receiver. Almacen. Back to pass to Lias to Morata. Elbow jumper. Nothing but net. 2 points. That was the end of the second quarter. 43-32.
And that quarter was brought to you by Cuseras Negra and DKF Water.
Garbuutan pagyud ang katawhan. Kung gusto kang mag-relax, dali na mga duta. Come on, let's go to San Francisco. Go, ipasigar mo ka. Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco, Camotes, itong hambog yun ka. Maanindot nga ka
the ball game. This is our third quarter.
Muling ihalal, Konsehal Mike Macapagal ng
Is the GJ's basketball. Garbe inbound the ball, pass to Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez from the parking lot. Rebound by Ruka Curva. Steal by Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez drives. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 21, Gonzaga. That was your first personal foul. And one team foul, Ninya Valerie. First throw by Gomez. Yes, 1 point. Last throw. Complete two free throws by Gomez. Laurel. Laurel pass to Murata. Back to Laurel. Laurel drives to Curva. Gonzaga under the basket. Yes, 2 points. Ball intercepted by Murata. Pass to Laurel. Laurel. Pass to Gonzaga. Gonzaga jam. Not this time. Rebound by Lot Chavez. Lot Chavez pass to Garbe. Garbe in traffic. Peroso. Putback. Yes, 2 points Peroso. Laurel. Pass to Gonzaga. To Morata, elbow J. Foul on jersey number 21, Gonzaga. That was your second personal foul. And 2 team fouls, Ninya Valerie. Substitution out, Peroso and Amancio. Chavez. Pass to Chen. To Gomez. Back to Chen. Elbow jumper. Yes, 2 points. 45-38. 7 points lead. Murata. Elbow J. Yes. Counter attack by Murata. Lot Chavez to Garbe. Garbe to Gomez. To Amancio. Amancio for 3. Short. Rebound by Gonzaga. Pass to Ruka Curva. To De Los Santos. Morata, elbow J. Nothing but net. Back-to-back basket by Morata. Garbe. Garbe jam. Rebound by Amancio. Putback. There's a block. Ball tap out of bounds by Ruka Curva. Symbol. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Gomez pass to Chavez for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Chavez. Laurel. Laurel tries for 3. Nothing but that. 3 points, Laurel. Chavez all the way. Reverse layup. Yes, 2 points. Back-to-back basket by Chavez. Morata to De Los Santos. De Los Santos to Gonzaga under the basket. Rebound by Laurel. Whistle foul. Foul jersey number 12 holding foul. First personal foul on Garvey. One team foul is the GJ. Morata. Not this time. Rebound by Laurel. Nayabo ang Milo. Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez pass to Garvey. Garvey to Gomez. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 10, De Los Santos. Illegal contact to the hand. 2 free throws for Gomez. Second personal foul on De Los Santos. First throw by Gomez. Nothing but net. 1 point. Lastro. Complete. Supritro. Substitution. Out Gonzaga and the big man. Laurel. Pass to Roca Corba, back to Laurel. Laurel jam. In and out. Rebound by Amancio. Amancio layup. Pass to Chen. Yes, 2 points. Roca Corba for 3. Not in. Rebound Maurilio. Footback. Yes, 2 points. Lo Chavez to Garvey for 3. Not in. Rebound by De Los Santos. De Los Santos to Morata. Elbow J. Rebound Shan. Chen jam. Ball tap out of bounds by Amancio. Roca Corba pass to De Los Santos. To Laurel. Laurel in traffic. Back to De Los Santos. To Roca Corba. Elbow jumper. To Strong. Rebound by Amancio. Long play to Garvey. Garvey. Garvey jam. There's a whistle. Foul on jersey number 10. Illegal contact to the hand. That was your third personal foul, De Los Santos. Substitution out, De Los Santos in Lias. First throw by Garvey. Yes, 1 point. Lastro. Timeout. Nina Valerie. 4 minutes. 48 seconds. 54 against 49. 5 points lead. Nina Valerie.
Sumba sa Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa Mangudlong, mangumpra ka sa Agora. Pantalan sa Consuelo, pantayan sa hari. Tulang ako, tulang gamay, aning doon sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukit sa Monte Alegre, makita ang Lake Nanawa.
Laurel. Laurel to Lias. Yes, easy 2 points by Lias. Los Chavez to Chen. Pass to Garbe. Garbe pass to Gomez. Reverse layup. Yes, 2 points. Lias. Lias to Laurel. Laurel in traffic. Laurel jump. Yes, 2 points. Gomez. To Garbe. For 3. Nothing but that. 3 points. Garbe. Laurel. Pass to Maurelio. Back to Laurel. Laurel drives. In traffic. Looking for the server. Pass to Lias. Lias for a long 2. Short. Rebound by Amancio. All alone. Yes, 2 points. Score now. 58 against 56. The lead is cut down into 2 points. Maurelio for 3. Not in. Steal by Murata. Toro Kakurba. There's a block by Gomez. Rebound by Murata. Back to Kakurba for 3. Nothing but net. Gomez. Garbe. Garbe jam. Not in. Substitution. Out Laurel and Almacen. Maurelio. Pass to Lias under the basket. In traffic. Pass to Kakurba. To Almacen. All alone. 3. Chan. Amancio elbow J. Not in. Rebound by Almacen. Almacen for another 3. Nothing but net. Back to back 3. Impas na sang may idean eh. Gomez. Pass to Amancio. Amancio jam. Yes, 2 points. Almacen. Lias. Pass to Maurelio. Nagbarog. Not in. Rebound by Amancio. Pass to Garbe. Garbe drives. Layup short. Rebound by Lias. Almacen. Pass to Murata. Elbow jumper. Yes, 2 points. Timeout. Is the GJ.
Sa agora, pantalan sa konswelo, pantayan sa hari, tulang ako, tulang gamay, aning doon sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli, bukid sa Montenegre, makita ang lake na nawa. Sa simbahan
Pero ba yung sa quarter ay? Basin, magmahay ka mo. Nga nindot niya ng duwa. Ang lag-una nga duwa, labaw gyapon ang usa ka team. Rica now. Rica pass to Gomez. Gomez pass to Rica. Rica to Chen. To Amancio. Amancio drives. Yes, 2 points Amancio. Gabhot sa sapatos ni Modong Almacen. Plinyas all the way. Layup short. Rebound by Gomez. Steal by Murata. Yes, 2 points. Los Chavez. Pass to Gomez. Gomez to Rica to Los Chavez. To Chen. Chen for 3. Short. Naotruhan na sad. Dili na natapang. Kay ikaduha na na niyang gibuhat. Lias from the parking lot. What a buzzer beater. Agay. What a what. Mosipra na lat adto sa rails ni Chip. Oh. Kita na to ma. Daw man di buenas kinin duha kasangod dire sa niya Valeri. Full force maguling nila duha kasangod. Nagtusok man si Orme o si Mardex. Back to the ball game. This is our last and final quarter.
This quarter is brought to you by Eltic Fiber Solutions, DKF Water Refilling Station, Cusera Negra, and Ola's Pizza.
Roca Corba pass to Almacen. Steal by Peruso. Gomez now. Pass to Garbe. Garbe to Peruso. There's a block by Gonzaga. Put back by Gomez. Yes, 2 points. I mean, Roca Corba niya nakapalak. Almacen. Looking for the server pass to Gonzaga. Elbow J. Short. Rebound by Garbe. Garbe pass to Los Chavez. Los Chavez to Garbe. Garbe for 3. Too strong. Gonzaga is out. Symbol. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 9 minutes, 6 seconds. Peruso inbound the ball. Pass to Garbe. Garbe to Chen. Pass to Los Chavez. Los Chavez. 3. There's a whistle. Foul. Foul jersey number 20. Illegal contact to the hand. 3 free throws for Los Chavez. First attempt by Los Chavez. Yes. 1 point. Second attempt. Another 1 point. Lastro. Complete 3-point play by Los Chavez. Making the score, 74 against 65. Roca Curva. Tony Los Santos, elbow jumper, yes, 2 points. Garvey. Garvey for 3. That in. Out Gomez. Roca Curva. To Almazan. To Nodalo for 3. Too strong. Rebound by Nodalo. Put back. Roca Curva. Yes, 2 points Roca Curva. Garvey to Chan. Elbow jumper. Too strong. Big rebound by Gomez. Yes, 2 points Gomez. Almacen. To Roca Curva. For 3. Short. Rebound by Roca Curva. Layup. What a beautiful move by Roca Curva. Hang time. Los Chavez for 3. In and out. Rebound by Gonzaga. Pass to Nodalo. Nodalo all the way. Kasi at Mangani ang manghod. Ang kuya pa ba? Foul jersey number 3. Los Chavez. Second personal foul. Los Chavez. Hingigo ng kaliwata. Buyagan na ba? Los Chavez. Pass to Chen. To Peroso. Peroso turn around. Yes, 2 points. Ball intercepted by Peroso. Pass to Garvey. Garvey drives. Yes, 2 points Garvey. Almacen. To Nodalo. Back to Almacen. To Gonzaga. To Nodalo to Almacen. To Roca Curva. To De Los Santos. Power moves. There's a block but there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 6. Illegal contact to the hand. First personal foul, Chen. Substitution out, Chen and Almacen. First throw by De Los Santos. Not in. Last throw. Yes, 1 point De Los Santos. Los Chavez. Pass to Garvey. Garvey jump. Yes, 2 points. 83-73. Nodalo. Reverse layup. Not in. Rebound by Gomez. Pass to Peroso. Peroso pass to Los Chavez. Drives. Yes, 2 points. De Los Santos. Roca Curva to Almacen. For 3. Out Roca Curva. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. Los Chavez. Los Chavez drives. Drop pass to Almacen. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 28, Nodalo. Illegal use of hand. First personal foul. 2 team fouls. So free throws for Almazan. First attempt. Not in. Last throw. Not in. Big rebound by De Los Santos. Almazan. Pass to De Los Santos. Toro Kakurba. To Gonzaga. Elbow jumper. Yes. Nothing but net. Lo Chavez to Garbe. For 3. Short. Rebound by Lo Chavez. Lo Chavez drives. Not in. Outro Kakurba. Symbol. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Peroso. Pass to Gomez to Garbe. Garbe jump. In and out. Rebound by Almazan. Back to Nodalo. To Almazan. Almazan pass to Rocacorba. Ball intercepted by Gomez. There's a whistle. Held ball. Out of position is the GG. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Out Peroso and Chan. Di taas mas Digoy. Lain naman ni Digoy mo daot. Kaya mo taas. Chan. Chan drives. Yes, 2 points. Exactly 4 minutes. De Los Santos. De Los Santos to Gonzaga. Back to Almazan. Miscommunication. Lo Chavez. Gomez now. Gomez back to Lo Chavez. Gomez to Garbe. Back to Lo Chavez. For 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Lo Chavez. 3 minute timeout. Ninia Valerie. 3 minutes, 25 seconds.
Ang kaanindot mo ay sama. San Francisco kamote, sikang hambog beauty ka. Samba sa Santiago, dali mga duta. Dagat sa Mangudlong, mangumpra sa Agora. Pantalan sa Consuelo, pantayan sa hari. Tulang nako, tulang gamay, anindot sa isla. Dito sa sunog na ay banig na soli-soli. Bukit sa Montelegre, makita ang Lake Nanaw.
Back to the ball game. 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Oh, may reaction na lahat og kipyot. Oh. Almazan to Rocacorba. To De Los Santos, to Lias. Back to Rocacorba. Plinios. In traffic. Plinios jump. That in. Rebound by Chan. Chen to Chavez. Pass to Garbe. Garbe in traffic. Pass to Almacen. Reverse layup. Not in. Foot back by Chan. Yes, 2 points. Hala kay nasod. Hala. Ayay. May kikulbaan na sad. Almacen all the way. Yes, 3 points. Los Chavez. Foul jersey number 1, Almacen. Pushing foul. 3 free throws for Los Chavez. First personal foul on Almacen. Yes, 1 point for Chavez. Second attempt. Another 1 point by Los Chavez. Agay. Ang mga sugarol ug lawas. Ni kipiot-kipiot na ang heart. Last throw. Complete 3-point play by Los Chavez. Making the score 88-85. Kumusta na ba karon ang dughan ni Idol Mardex? Kuya ako katakiho noon eh. Simba ko lang. Almacen. Almacen. Pastor.
Last 2 minutes.
De Los Santos in traffic. Pass to Lias for 3. In and out. De Los Santos rebound. Put back. Yes, 2 points. Last 1 minute 48 seconds. Garbe, not in. Put back, not in. Put back. Yes, 2 points. Hala no. Hala no. Agoy, ang mga nag-plus-plus, minus-minus. Kolba, baya, oy. Almacen. Pass to Pliños. Pliños in traffic. Pass to Roca Curva. Roca Curva to Almacen. 3 points not in. Big rebound by De Los Santos. Agoy. Kulba aburoy sa nag-plus. Halay, De Los Santos. Rebound by Gomez. Long break sa Los Chavez. Los Chavez. Ay! Agoy. Kaya masuan. Agoy. Ay! Ay! Halaka. Halaka. Ginhawa in town mo. Ginhawa. Los Chavez. Halaka dear. Ano na? Garbe. Garbe in traffic. Garbe to Gomez. To Los Chavez. 4-3. Rebound by Chan. Agoy. Los Chavez! Ay! Rebound Pliños. 15 seconds. There's a whistle. Foul number 6. Holding foul. 10 seconds remaining. Sus! Basta kay may mga ihi nga ni pigsot kadali. Hala no? Agoy, ang mga plus minus. Ginoo ko. Unsaw na lang. Almacen. There's a whistle again. Foul jersey number 12. Holding foul. 6 seconds. Pila ba high plus in Idol Mardex, no? Agoy! Ginoo ko ang puso mo, Mardex. Dinyas. There's a whistle again. Foul number 6. Third personal foul, Chen. Penalty. Dol Mardex, kumusta mga ito kasing-kasing diya, Dol? Sos, kung 5 and 1/2, patay ka. Agay kay nasod. Agoy, 5 and 1/2 rabagay plus ti ali sa nino. Pastilan, disgrasya. Time out. Is the DJ.
Okay, pahibalo. Ang atong finals championship game karong Miyerkules. Ugma para third tanan. So Miyerkules fighting champion duha ka imports.
Guy. Front court. Oy, daplin na yan Enzo. Kay aray plus 5 nga daugunon. Padaplin. Kay bay makaamong pa ni. Daog na rin duwa. Pero ang plus ni Idol Mardex, ambot lang ahan. Kaluoy. Daog mo yun eh. Kay 5 and 1/2 man eh. Almacen. Nice block. Congratulations, Ninja Valerie. Advance to the finals. Congratulations, Idol Mardex. Best player of the game, wearing jersey number 88, the reinforcement, ang garbo sa San Francisco, Kenny Rogers, Halimaw Ruka Curva.